Wally got something now. Hey y'all, so we are walking on a little trail to go fishing. Don't mind the powder right here, son. The place is hot, but y'all should see this scenery. Ew, what kind of thing you can get for ya? I'm not really, I'm not nothing I can see. But that's Wally and Pickle Wickle. Yeah.
Oh, he is us, brother.
Happy years as well, you want to get pickles, you know. Come, Picks. Pickles get so big. You must not see five them. No must I see them. You want me to hold him? You want me to hold him? Okay.
If you want to, but that's fine.
It's...
Just few people out there. I don't know if they might want to meet and
Okay, yeah. I'm going to show you guys the scenery when we get there. So stay tuned. Pickles. Okay, y'all, this is the scenery. So pretty. Look over there. Real pretty. There's Wally over there. Yeah. There's Pickles. I have my igloo with ice because outside is hot for some strange reason. And I have my, oh my god, you guys seeing my life base right here? So that's that, and here's my rod. So let go. Say hi, Pickles. Say hey. Hey, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Wait, Pickles. This is my wait. Come here. Come here. And Wally tied him to this thing. Give me a high five. Yeah. Okay, y'all, let me go set up. Okay, y'all. For now I have to use my phone because my camera, I just don't want to take it out right now. But this is my thing. Hold on. And I'm gonna put the, y'all see, ouch. Y'all see this? I think I'm gonna leave this, but I'm gonna put one of the live baits on this. So this is the worm. Are you guys seeing? This is the, it fell. This is the worm, and I'm gonna just put it on. Should I use two or just one? Maybe I'm gonna put on. Maybe I'm gonna put on one more. So yeah. Just to see if we can get anything on our first throw. Let's see if we can get a catch. Perfect. So y'all, I don't even have anywhere to put this phone because I didn't bring a tripod for it. Okay, let me see if I can catch anything. Yo, I got a small fish. It's a start. He's so pretty. I want to get a big one. Y'all, he's breathing. Oh my god. Y'all see his go?
yeah, that's the problem. Like you said, leech is very good. That's one thing I realized.
And leech is not like worm, it's tough, right? They don't rip.
Yeah.
I think I know how to put it on now. You have to put it all over and don't let the thing be too much, else they'll eat it off.
Too small.
What?
You can't go from the
Did he just throw? Wally! Wally, why would you? This guy threw. The guy threw by my. That's so rude. Wally, that is so rude. He threw back my fish. the hell? Yo, heard this guy? He said I'm like the Chinaman. I take everything. Oh my god. Yo, imagine I'm here focused, trying to get. Yo, I'm done. I'm gonna get a big one and I'll show you guys. Oh, I got a second one, but he's pretty small. He's even smaller than the one that we had before. But yeah, I need a big one. Meanwhile, I can roast later on. Just use him as bait, eh?
No, he's too. No.
No?
So easy to take off and you don't want to take him off.
I'm scared.
I.
Yo, let me see if I can get a big one. Yo, Wally got 2 small ones.
2 together.
Yeah. And he said that he's gonna feed it.
We call them sunfish or
Let me touch it. Let me touch it. Why are you behaving like that, boy? Wait. Yeah. They ugly, man.
They're okay sizes. But I want the big bad boys. Very probably big bad boys can grab them.
Yeah, they're the same thing. Okay. Send them out. And watch me doing it, so. I know. Just make it stay. I'm gonna try again, guys. I'm on to my 3rd one. But it is small. Come, Wally, you can take him. It is very small. I don't know, man. Hear him. You saying for it shine? You told you have shine for it, but 3 months shine after me. Woo! Yeah, let's try again. Oh, I caught multiple more, but they were small.
Not too bad.
Yeah, this is small too, but it's like, it's better than the ones before, right? Take him off, Wally. We're gonna keep this one. Can't fry and get pickles. Wally, the hell? Just take him off, man. I don't get pickles.
You can't get them so easy, no. I 3 hook him.
Yeah, maybe you need to get like larger 3 hooks. Y'all, we're coming back. Oh, Wally got something now. Look at him. Oh my god. Let me feed you, boy. Let me feed you.
Pickles.
Oh my god, I got hooked. Jesus Christ.
That
is nice. Oh, I got another one.
See when you hook up, you can get it early, you know.
Wow. You know, you can do fish then, man. Don't make you lick a piece of worm gone, yeah? You think
I don't know
piece of-
that.
No, in Yami? In Swalite?
What's the name of it?
Man, why? And they have some nice size in it, you know. Yeah, I can.
No more than a cup, you sure?
No, there's no more worm. Y'all, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna show you. Anyways, there's some nice size in the thing. Y'all, we are done, and we're gonna go home just now. Why is Pickle stepping on my bag, man? Sorry. And I'm gonna show you guys what it is looking like. Okay, y'all, so Wally caught one of these big ones. Somebody gave us
If you can hold
one of
pickles.
those.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, and those 2 small ones, I got them. But yeah, we're gonna go home now, and Wally's gonna season them up and do them for me. Whoa! Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're taking my bag for me?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on.
I can hold my bag, you know.
You wanna put it on your back?
So it's just easier
even
for you to
better.
take that. Yeah. Let me put on pickles. Pickles. Give me pickles first.
You know,
I thought you would. Okay, go pick a wicker.
because no, we go this now. We might run go away. We might run come to me.
I know. Pickles, wait. You have to pickles. Pickles. You know, listen, you know? Whee! we are going home. That's the end of our little fashion date video. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. See you guys in the next video. And tell me why. When I see, look up, fly them. Tell me what, when I see fly them. But anyways, bye.
Water.